Good morning, my beautiful people. Morning, afternoon, I don't know what it is for you. Happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful and wonderful mothers out there.
For sure.
Yes. Welcome to Juneau.
A rainy Juneau.
Oh, very rainy, wet Juneau.
Y'all,
But we hear you.
This is our 6th port in Alaska that we've done in our life. And this is the first time we're actually getting the real Alaska experience that everybody tells you to be prepared
It's
for.
crazy though because you look at people's videos and they got on their hats and long sleeves and scarves. Yeah, we finally get to wear ours.
In a way. It's also rainy and nasty, but we're going to make the best out of it. We got a helicopter excursion, y'all.
Oh, Lord, y'all.
I'm ready for that. Hopefully it all goes well. We get to get off on a glacier, walk around. I'm hoping the weather kind of clears before we get
For the
there.
time, I think it's actually at 3 o'clock.
Yeah, it's like
So
3 something. So
maybe we get to hang around and wait for the rain to clear up and we can do it. And we also meeting our friend Jay here today. So
that's awesome.
It's cool to be on 2 different ships. And
It was crazy when we rolled in this morning. I was able to I said, where you at? I'm right here. We were able to see each other. We waved at each other, took pictures of each other. It was kind of cool. Never did that before, and all the time we've cruised, seen somebody that we know on another ship. So
I mean, just to be waving by too, you know. So that was cool.
Yeah, but we're ready for this day in Juneau. Last time when we came to Juneau, it was one of the best times I've ever had on a cruise ship.
It was a beautiful sunny day here, but hey, I'll take the rain, and then we prepared for it, so let's go.
Yep. Well, we're here in rainy Juneau.
Oh my God.
About to go do this helicopter thing.
Yes, you guys. I'm nervous.
We running to get there. We supposed to be there in 2 minutes. It's probably a 5-minute walk. Is it refreshing?
Tastes good.
It's really good.
It's all in. Oh my God, you guys. I am smiling from ear to ear because we have made it. Look where I'm at.
You weren't on the ride.
I sure wasn't. I hated the helicopter ride. But look where I'm at. Look where we at, you guys. I can't believe it. My Positive Bible Adventures. We are on a glacier.
Look at that water behind it.
God.
The camera
Look at
don't
it, you
even
guys.
show how
Look
blue
at
it
it.
is.
Look at it, people.
It's insane.
Look at it.
We made it to a glacier.
I'm on a glacier. Can y'all guys believe it? And I ain't old Lord and Jesus take the wheel. At least I'm really kind of breathtaking. Y'all gonna have to watch the video because I drunk that.
Yeah.
I drunk some of that.
It was
We
delicious.
drunk some of that. So
It was clean. Wish
it
I
was
would have
fresh.
brought a bottle. to fill
Exactly.
up.
The pilot was like, you could drink the water. And he went down to get his water bottle and there you go. So, hey you guys. Pretty price for this excursion, but I feel like it's worth it.
It's an experience.
Yeah. For
Paying for it.
come check it out, you guys. What a day, you guys. What an amazing rainy day.
It did clear up for us before our
Yes.
excursion, thank God. So we got to do our helicopter ride.
Yes.
But it was cold and rainy those first like 3 hours,
Oh
4
my God.
hours out there.
Miserable out here in Juneau.
At first
Miserable.
we were just, oh yeah. And then next thing you know, that wind picked up. Man, we
Oh my
were all the
goodness.
way like 20 minutes away at that well. But we had a great time. It was awesome
Yes.
hanging out with Jay,
Yes.
meeting a friend from back home. At the same port on a different ship.
Hey, what about that? That's a cool one.
Yeah,
but
pretty
guys,
neat.
we are back on the ship. We did do the excursion. Hey, I don't have nothing else to say. I rate that as the ride
Yeah, right.
0 out of 10.
Yeah.
Okay. I hated the helicopter ride.
Y'all looked over, she was just.
But for getting on that glacier, I never thought in my years of coming that I'll be on a glacier and drinking the water. I can't believe I actually drank the water from a glacier, and y'all, it was so freaking good. Do you hear me? So good.
It was in the water. Like the video doesn't show how blue it is, which that was really cool. So just know what you see in the video. Multiply that like blue by so much because it was so bright. It was really cool.
Yeah, it was
But
cool to see that.
we had a great time there. We ended up coming back after that. Met back up
Yes.
with Jay, and we
Went and got a shot of that famous drink everybody craves about here when you come to Juneau. That part. the duck fart. So we went and got a shot of that, took that with Jay, sent Jay on his way. Hope you make it to the next port.
And the duck fart was Bailey's, Kahlua, and Crown Royal. So pretty simple little shot, but you know what? It was just a good experience. That was my first shot I've had in 19 years or something. Crazy.
Whatever.
Yeah. But guys, then we went to Tracy's King.
Oh yeah, we
Crab Shack.
got a fresh piece of when I got a fresh piece of crab from Tracy's.
And I've never had crab before. I tried it. It was all right.
You liked it? What you think?
I mean, it was nothing special to me. It was meaty. It was tender. It was soft, which maybe that's what it needs to be.
Hey,
but
you tried it though. That's all that matters. You tried it.
You enjoyed it?
Yeah, I sure did. We had the king. We had a biscuit, a crab biscuit.
Bisque.
He went there and got pork, you guys. But other than that, it was pretty good. It was decent. Pretty expensive, but hey, why not? We on vacation. Other than that, the day was good for us. I mean, before it rain, whatever. Okay, take it.
It's Alaska.
We got on the excursion. We got to the glacier, and there we go. We back on the ship, ready for the next port.
Skagway. But guys, I guess for that, thank you for watching this amazing video. We're so glad that we could bring you guys our amazing moments that we got to share together on this trip. Juneau was absolutely amazing.
Yes, it was.
And we can't wait for Skagway tomorrow. But
I am going to say, you come to Juneau, you have to do an excursion.
Yeah.
So, the town over itself.
60 jewelry stores. That's it.
Book an excursion when you come to Juneau.
And there's great ones here. Great
I just
options.
wanted to put that out there to you guys.
All right, y'all.
Peace.
Peace.